The snow beneath my feet turned red. I don't remember the pain, only the cold of the blade. The last breath is already lost forever before my eyes. The beautiful face of her life. She didn't offer paradise, only honor. I agree, because life is just a splash. And here I am in the halls of gold and manhood. The noise of the banquet is heard from afar. I drink honey at the bottom, I find no wisdom. I am in Valhalla, but you already lost. We fought together from east to west. Your smile was my shield. You will live and I will die. Truly, the Valkyrie marked my helmet with a brand. Now I am a shadow on the walls of majestic chambers. You are a living memory that calls me back. And here I am in the halls of gold and manhood. The noise of the banquet is heard from afar. I drink honey at the bottom, I find no wisdom. I am in Valhalla, but you are already lost. They speak of glory and tireless battle. No one speaks of the silence after the battle. When the rage dies down, the image of the house remains, which I protected for the eternity of the family. Valhalla, the price of admission is all you had. A toast to the desired life that I led. To you whom I loved more than death. But I I did not escape my fate.